welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time since I uploaded on this YouTube channel, and I'm back right now, and I'll be uploading more informative, educative and videos that will help you make real money online. So make sure you subscribe if this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 ways you can actually make money online in Nigeria. And the first way to make money online is through content creation. You might hear a lot of people say, create content, you can make a lot of money creating content. Yes, you can actually make a lot of money creating content, and all you need is just your smartphone. The video I'm recording right now, I am actually using my phone to record this video. Now again, a lot of you guys may be saying, I don't have a phone that has a good camera. Trust me, you don't necessarily need a good camera to start with. When I started my YouTube channel, I started with an Android phone, which the camera was so bad, but I thank God I didn't wait for a bigger phone to start. If I had waited, I wouldn't have been here talking to you guys. So no matter what you have right now, that is exactly what you should start with. And before you know it, you eventually have the money to upgrade. If I tell you exactly how much I make every single month from content creation, you will not hesitate to start making content. So if I'm telling you to start making content, I know what I'm talking about. This is something that actually makes me 90% of my money. Content creation is very good. You can start on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, or Instagram. If you're creating content, don't expect quick results, because that is what will make you quit very fast. If you think that if you start creating content after 2 months or 3 months, you will start making money, then you may not continue. So start content creation. It could be anything. You don't even need to be an expert at anything. All you need to do is to go online, look for people that are doing what you would love to do, learn from them, and you create something similar to that. I am not saying you should copy it, but get inspirations, get ideas from them. You create your own, you edit it and post on a YouTube channel, and it is yours. If you continue doing this after 3, 4, 6 months, sometimes even in 2 months, you can go viral and start making money immediately. But once again, don't expect quick results. If not, you are going to quit. All right, so the second way of making money online, which you can start anywhere you are in the world and for absolutely free, is freelancing. Now with freelancing, you need to have a skills such as video editing, thumbnail design. There are a lot of skills which you can actually sell it online to make money for yourself. You may not have a skill right now, but there are many platforms that will help you learn digital skills. Only take you like maybe a month or 2 weeks to learn. That skill can stay with you for a lifetime, and you can constantly make money with it. One of the platforms is called Skillshare. You can only pay like $5 and you can watch all the courses. So within a month, you can actually learn up to 5 skills which you are interested in, and then you can sell those skills on freelancing platform like Fiverr, Upwork. There are lots of them. Just go on Google right now, or even on YouTube, and search freelancing platform. After learning those skills, you start selling them on this platform which I just explained. You can do more research and get to know more of this freelancing platform, where you can work for foreign clients and they pay you in dollars. Now the third way of making money online anywhere you are for absolutely free is called digital marketing. And digital marketing is basically you selling products and services online. Now you don't have to create these products by yourself. You can literally sell someone else's product and you get a profit for that. Now, for example, you can go on Seller right now. Seller is a platform where people go over there and sell their online courses, ebooks, and the rest of them. Now, if you are a beginner and you have no skill, you don't have any cost, you can literally promote other people's platform and you make money from it. Each time someone buy a course from you, you will get a commission. You don't have to be the creator of the course. You will literally make money by selling other people digital products. It could be ebooks, it could be video courses, it could be anything. So seller.com is one of the platforms. If you're in Nigeria right now, you can start with it. It's very simple. Sign up, you get your affiliate link on different courses and ebooks. You advertise it to people, and when they buy it, you will get your own commission, and you can start it for free. So making money online is not a big deal. Anybody can come online today and start making money. The only thing you need is just the right information, and not just the information, you should be able to take action so you can actually make the money. Because after watching this video, if you did not take any action, you will still not make money. So after watching this video, go ahead, take action. You can learn a skill and start selling it on freelancing platforms. You can also market other people's digital products, sell it and get a profit. So stop procrastination. Don't forget to like this video, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos just like this. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.